Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, stock number B9325PA. 67,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, billet silver metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Grand Caravan seats 7, cloth interior. Stow and go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Rear heat and air control. DVD player with wireless headphones and remote. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera for additional safety. And a power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage all behind the third row, lots of space for cargo, or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can of course fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power liftgate and sliding doors have pinch protection. Automatically reverse if anything gets in the way, to make sure nothing gets damaged and no one gets hurt. Sliding doors operate off the key fob, or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. And you have all the additional storage space below. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, power adjustable pedals, and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Cruise control, 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 20 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Rear DVD player controls, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera displays. 3-zone temperature control, lots of storage space in the center console, and dual glove boxes with the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, liftgate and sliding door controls, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.